It was the morning, and you could already hear the constant hum of traffic in Cochabamba. Birds were tweeting in the trees as the dawn gave way to day. A motorbike roared past, louder than all the cars around it. Then came another, and yet another. A vendor walked through the street, tooting her squeaky horn and shouting, "Eggs for sale! Eggs for sale!" A musician sat down on the footpath and started to play the panpipes, hoping people would toss him some coins. As the workers tried to get through the traffic so they weren't late to work, they honked their horns with frustration at the other drivers. Alarms went off as motorists came too close to the side of the road. The streets filled with people, vendors, musicians, drivers, motorcyclists, and many, many others. Each making their own sound, and each with something to do and somewhere to be.